Would you like to measure the current of an output during operation, for example to set the tripping current? That is easily done. The current value of every output can be determined by measuring the voltage, without having to disconnect the cable. That means that power continues to be supplied to the connected loads during measurement. Conversion is very simple. 1 volt corresponds to a load current of 1 amp. Using the measured currents for the individual outputs, you can easily set the tripping current. Values from 0.5 to 3 amps or 3 to 10 amps can be specified according to the device type by means of stepless adjustment. In this way, the tripping current can be adjusted slightly above the maximum current with much greater precision, which means that the selectivity module trips reliably in the event of a fault. This makes commissioning and service work in particular easier. Another advantage is the sequential connection of the outputs, which enables you to reduce the size of the power supply. As you know, a power supply is primarily dimensioned according to the inrush currents of the loads. To minimize the summation current of the individual inrush currents, the outputs can be connected with a delay. The selectivity module is also available for US standard NEC Class 2. Even in the event of a fault, each output is limited to 100 watts, and loads that have approval for use with NEC Class 2 only may be supplied. In the USA, this UL standard greatly facilitates acceptance and wiring and enables cheaper products to be used in the control circuit. In addition, the selectivity module allows a central power supply unit with a high rating to be used instead of several small NEC Class 2 power supply units.